Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kichler brand ceiling fan and you feel like it's making a lot of noise. I'm going to go through a couple things that it can be and what you might need to do to fix it. Now, the first thing to do is just to leave it, like don't worry about it for if you've just installed it. So if it's just making it's just being a little bit noisy, just leave it for the next day or so. It might need to just kind of settle in and and the vibrations and stuff, well, it'll all get worked out over over a day or so of actual use. But if after that day's up it's still going, then there's a couple things you want to check. You can check the motor housing screws are snug, and you also want to check that the screws that attach to the fan blade brackets to the motor are tight. And then also, like if you have it hooked up to a light kit, you also want to make sure that the screws securing the glassware on the light are also tight. And then you want to make sure that the light bulbs in the light are not touching any of the components or anything like that. And if you're able to check those things, you should be able to figure out why your fan is making noise. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.